Hello, this is mathjazz from Almost Cool. This is the first video that I'm going to upload about the Arduino 101. Now, I am very new to microcomputing. This is my first Arduino. It came just earlier this week, but I figured that I would record my learning experiences with this device and upload it to YouTube, if for nothing else, for my own record. But here is the Arduino. This light right here is the on light. So our Arduino is on. And this here, this is the processor for the Arduino. This silver box here, this is the USB port that connects this Arduino to my laptop. And one more thing, this pin here is called pin 13. It's connected to, I can't quite see it. It's connected to an LED that's right here, and that'll be important later in this video. So, this video, I am going to upload my first sketch to my Arduino. I have it open here. This is called the Blink sketch. They call them sketches instead of programs for the Arduino, apparently. I will continue to learn more about the Arduino, and more of these things will become natural to me. Anyway, to get to the Blink example sketch, you have to go into File, Examples, Basics, and then Blink. Now, it says in the description that Blink will turn on the LED at pin 13 for 1 second, and then turn it off for 1 second, and it'll repeat that indefinitely. Now, something to learn about Arduino sketches is that they all have a setup method and a loop method. And method might not be the right term, but that's what they call them in Java. So I think that's what we call them for the Arduino sketches. But I'll look that up and see if what things here are the same as Java and what things are not. Because Java is the language that I learned when I took my programming classes. Anyway, so the setup method, the Arduino runs as soon as it gets a sketch, and then the loop method, it runs after that. And it repeats the loop method over and over again. So what this setup method is doing is it's selecting pin 13, and it's declaring pin 13 an output pin. And I'm not entirely sure what that means, but I guess it means that the Arduino will control what voltage is on the pin rather than the Arduino will be reading what voltage is on the pin, I think. I'm pretty sure that's true. So it'll be selecting pin 13 and declaring it an output pin. And then what's going to happen is it's going to make the voltage high on pin 13. Oh, sorry, this is the loop method now. The loop method will set the pin high voltage and then wait for 1 second. That is, delay 1000 means delay for 1000 thousandths of a second. And then it's going to set the pin to low voltage, so that should turn the LED off. And then it'll wait another second, and then it'll repeat that over and over. So I am excited to test this. If everything goes well, we should see a pin an LED right about there light up. And so let's get it started. We hit the upload button here, and it says build options changed, rebuilding all. And there's a bar here that's having some sort of progress, and I'm excited. Sketch uses some number of bytes of program storage, and it says success. Sketch will start in 5 seconds. Hey, look, the light came on. Yeah, see? The light came on, and it's off, and it's on, and it's off, and this is exciting. Okay. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to manipulate this a bit just to see what we can do with this. So I'm going to let's have the light come. Let's have the light go faster. Let's have it go for a tenth of a second on and a tenth of a second off. And we will upload the sketch. Now what should happen is this should blink much faster than before. We're rebuilding all and waiting for it. It says success. Okay, so now it should blink much faster in 5 seconds. Ah, oh, well, my webcam is lagging. But I can tell you, it is blinking much faster than it was before. Even if the webcam is not catching it, I am sorry for that. Maybe I should have it go slower. Instead of, oh, let's have it do a different number. We'll have it do, let's say, let's have it go for 2/10 of a second on, and let's have it go for 1 second off. So it should go flash and then off, and then flash and then off with the new weights for the wait time. So it should be really slow when it comes on. And we're waiting for it to rebuild the sketch. Okay, and in 5 seconds it should start up again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what should happen? Yeah, the short pulse on. 1,000. Oh, I have it off for a second. Let's have it off for 2 seconds. Let's do it again. Okay, so with this, it should be 2/10 of a second on and 2 full seconds off. And here we go. There. Blink 1, 2, blink 1, 2. Yeah, so it looks like we can control the Arduino. Let's set the sketch back to its original settings. So this is all I'm going to do for this video, but it proved that we can load sketches onto the Arduino, that when we modify sketches that we can send those to the Arduino and it'll be able to run those. And this is the first step towards being able to, oh, my Arduino is sliding out of the frame. There we go. This is the first step towards having the Arduino do stabilization for the airplane that we're building. So I will let Regolith have the videos on building the airplane, putting all the parts together, cutting the foam and all of that. And this channel will start working on building up a controller mechanism to put on the Arduino so that this airplane will fly and stabilize itself when it hits turbulence. So I hope that you're enjoying this series. I hope that we have a lot of success with this airplane. Have a great day. Goodbye.